So price again failed to close above this bearish fair value gap, guys. That is the reason again I reversed my trade. So this entire thing is just a manipulation. And we want to see this next candle close. The body should not cross this first presentation 5-minute fair value gap. We need to close below this. Now I want to see a strong expansion to the downside because we have done this manipulation again. We are come down and we went back up and we killed everybody who went short. So the manipulation part is done now. So now I want to see expansion to the downside. Now I want to reclaim this bearish fair value gap. We need to close below this. Yeah. So I want to take some partials. Like I said, I want to take some partials above this 50% of this wick because I don't want to see any retracement. This is not looking good, guys. I wanted this candle to close below this bearish fair value gap to reclaim this bearish fair value gap. I want to see this 5-minute candle close below this first presentation 5-minute fair value gap with the body below this. I don't want to see any body inside this 5-minute fair value gap. So we want this candle to move away from this first presentation. So now on a 15-second chart and a 1-minute chart, you can clearly see we have taken out the swing high and we have respected this bearish fair value gap. The bodies are remaining below this bearish fair value gap. We want to see an expansion from here and we want to close below this bearish fair value gap and reclaim this bearish fair value gap. So far this 5-minute candle, the VIX only went outside this bearish fair, this first presentation fair value gap. So far the body is in the lower half of this first presentation. But I want to see this candle close below this 1-minute bearish fair value gap so that we can reclaim that. So we want to see expansion, guys. We don't want to see any consolidation now because price has already done enough manipulation. Now we want to see expansion to the downside. So we have price has respected this bearish fair value gap. So we want to see this candle close outside this 1-minute bearish fair value gap. We want to see a closure below this swing low. So this is my first partial above this rejection block. This is the lowest down close candle. So I'm taking my first partial here because in case if price comes back here and hits this week again, goes back to the retracement, I don't want to see any retracement. So that is why I'm taking my first partial here. So the previous candle did not close outside this. Now we want to see this candle expand away from this bearish fair value gap. So we are approaching my first target. I don't want to see this candle close with a huge wick. Can't help it. This candle again. Okay. So we close below this wick, guys. This huge up close wick. So in case if price comes up, it should not go beyond 50% of this wick. So we are about to hit my first partial. So my first take partial is hit. Taking the second partial below this swing low. So this is my second take partial. This would be my third take partial. My fourth and my fifth take partial. I had a strong conviction the price is going to be bearish today, but price came back so many times to take my stop loss. So we are inside this 1 minute bearish fair value gap. So I just want to see expansion. I don't want to see any kind of consolidation here because we have already done this whole manipulation thing. We want to see only expansion from now. So this is the first presentation fair value gap, today's first presentation fair value gap. So we want to see a closure below this. So my second take partial is hit. So we want to see this candle close below this 1 minute first presentation fair value gap. This blue zone 919. So I think my third take partial is also hit. Yeah. So we want to see this candle close below this first presentation fair value gap. We want to see this candle move away from this. So we closed below this premium midpoint consequent encroachment. Now we are having a rejection from this midpoint, this red line, which is nothing but the premium wick midpoint on the daily chart. So we closed again below this first presentation. Now we want to expand away from this. So I'm going to adjust my stop loss. I'm going to put it in profit. So recovered entire loss today and we are in profit. So lost few trades due to this consolidation. So hit my okay. Good. Good guys. We whatever we lost, we have completely recovered and we have recovered more than double of it. So we are approaching this 11 o'clock macro, 10:50 to 11:10. So we can see some kind of manipulation before expansion. Let's put stop loss above this one. We are back again inside today's first presentation fair value gap. So this is the 20% retracement level on a weekly chart and this is 30% retracement level on the weekly chart. Even if price come backs all the way and takes my stop loss, still made what I lost double of it today. some net positive. So we have this bearish fair value gap on a 5-minute chart. So we want to see price remain below this. So we want to see price remain below 50% of this bearish fair value gap. And my target is 20% retracement level, that is 24,700. So this is my final target, today's final target. So we are in the macro window. So, oh, so my stop loss is hit, guys. I don't know, we had huge volatility suddenly. Recovered the entire loss. So for the price